Cody, who rode for Team New Zealand last year and was looked on as the weak link in the team. He's not there now, that's for sure. Steve Lamont, straight behind Sean Sims, there's the head of Carl Jensen behind it. Line's 499, look at full speed on. It is across the line, 1.5 for Team New Zealand. Ready to the Dusty Bradley in second. He is flying, the number 30 Canadian. Alex Calvini, Team Italy 3. Orban, Team France 4. Socia, Team Finland 5. Australia 6 with Michael Brent. And it is Sean Simpson 7. And we're looking at Vermont in 10th place. Zach Osborne from Puerto Rico is in 11th place. Tilly Berry still only. Tilly Berry